Hello, colleagues. Today we shall talk about linear regression in Excel. So the assumption today is that you have the theory of, the theory of linear regression, you know how to fit it, and what you only need to know is how to practically implement it in Excel. So it's very simple. Excel has a powerful tool for data analysis, which is called the data analysis toolpack. It doesn't automatically come with Excel. So what you need to do, if you don't have it, you need to add it yourself. So to know where it is, you need to go on data in Excel. You need to go on data, and you should be able to see something called data analysis. If you don't have it, that's okay. I will show you in a minute how you activate that toolpack of Excel of data analysis that enables you to do linear regression. So basically what you do, you go on File, you go on More, Options, and a dialog box appears. Then you click on Add in, then Excel add-ins, then you click Go, and then another toolpack appears. Then you need to click on Analysis toolpack. There are other add-ins which you could add in, but today we shall talk about Analysis toolpack. Then you click OK. So it may take a few seconds, and then you can see that a data analysis toolpack has appeared. So now we have data analysis toolpack. How do we do regression? So as an example on how to do this, we have a simple example of quantity and prices, and we want to find the linear relationship that exists between quantity and prices. So how we shall do this is we shall go to data analysis. Taking time. So when you go on data analysis, you'd find that this data analysis toolpack has very many kind of options, turnover, covariance, but for this case, we are interested in regression. So you click on regression, and another toolpack appears. So you are interested in input Y range, input X range. So X are what you may call as independent variables, and Y are what we call as dependent variables. So normally, I'm assuming you know this, but normally you can think of X as a cause and Y as an effect. So if you look, for example, in our example, quantity and price, normally prices influence the quantity demanded. Normally when prices are lower, quantity demanded is high. So you may think as price as an independent variable and quantity demanded as a dependent. So it doesn't matter. For this case, I'm just giving an example. So imagine price is an independent variable. You just imagine your price is X, is Y. So you would just come here. There is a cursor clicking. You click in this arrow here. So, and you are allowed now to select your Y. Imagine our Y is quantity. It could be anything. And our X is prices. Then you come here, click. It allows you to click on the range of X's, which is we are calling price, just assuming. And we selected the first row. When the first row are labels, you click on labels. So there is something called confidence level. So this is the confidence interval, the how accurate you want, you're willing to take your predictions. So normally the assumption is that you're thinking that your variable is the default. Excel brings you 95% confidence, but you could select any other by activating this column, and you change 95 maybe to 99. If you're okay with the 95, you remain with this, and you can select any of these things. You could select, like, for example, you could put it on a new workbook, for a new worksheet, you could select if you want any of these plots, normal plots, residual plots. You select any of these accordingly. I just want the linear regression output. After selecting all this, I click OK, and it will bring the linear regression results on a new worksheet, and that's it. It will be done.